Draw with Elena.
Color wheel. To draw the color wheel, you will need 1 white piece of paper and 7 crayons: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and black. First, let's use the black crayon to draw a big circle to begin our color wheel.
Is a color wheel the same as a color tire?
Now, let's draw a big X in our circle, then one more line right down the middle.
It looks like you sliced up a pie.
How many slices would we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
First, we'll fill in our primary colors. Primary means first because all the colors in the world come from these 3. Now, let's color yellow in the top right triangle. Next, we'll skip 1 triangle and color the lower right triangle blue. Finally, let's skip another triangle and color the leftmost triangle red.
It looks like beach ball.
Now that we have our primary colors, we mix 2 together to make a secondary color. Secondary means second. Primary colors red and yellow mixed together make what secondary color?
Orange.
Good job! Let's color orange between red and yellow. Primary colors yellow and blue mixed together make what secondary color?
Green.
Good job! Let's color green between yellow and blue. Primary colors blue and red mixed together make what secondary color?
Purple.
Good job! Let's color purple between blue and red. 3 colors on our color wheel are called warm. Warm colors remind us of things that are hot or busy or have lots of energy.
The sun.
Fire.
A hydrant.
3 colors on our wheel are called cool. Cool colors remind us of things that are cool or calming or bedtime.
Plants.
Icy snow.
Grape popsicles.
Complementary colors are like 2 colors that look the nicest together. Red and green, yellow and purple, orange and blue. They're like best friend colors that look the best together.
My best friend and me are always complimenting each other. You're so good at math. You're the fastest runner. Your drawings are my favorite. Draw with Elena.
Great job, everybody.